Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Harshita, and before we dive in, please grab a water bottle so you do not miss on hydration while watching. A little about me, I have personally lost 35 kgs. I was 97 kgs and now I'm 62 kgs. Through this channel, I want to share realistic, sustainable habits, hacks and mindset shifts that have helped me lose the weight and that I still follow in my day to day life as a busy professional working a 9 to 5. As someone who has lost so much of weight, I was a big time snacky. I'd be lying if I say that I gave up on snacks. I've already done a video on this channel wherein I have shown my grocery ka dibba, and I thought why not show you my snacks ka pitara also. Snacking is my favorite activity to do, but I do it mindfully and I'll teach you how to do that. I'll start and end the video with my favorites. So the first one is Super U protein wafers. So this one is their chocolate flavor. I personally like the chocolate flavor a lot, so I always restock on this one only. It has about 190 calories in this 40 gram of bar, and it has 10 grams of protein, 20 grams of carbs. Moving on to the next one is my childhood favorite, and I would be lying if I say that I had given up on this. Bread, sometimes with butter or cheese. Yes, I have not given up on bread butter because people who know me from school will know that I was a hardcore bread butter fan. I used to take bread butter and aloo bhujia in my tiffin every day. I have had that lunch for 15 freaking years. So it was very difficult for me to give up on bread butter. So I did not give up on it. I literally have bread butter as my breakfast now also every day. Literally have bread butter or bread cheese or sandwich, something like this on a daily basis, and yes, I still am able to maintain my weight. One is the Evolve snacks range. I found this on Amazon and I really like these. They also have a large variety of snack options. Also, their ingredients are really clean. The Rajma chips, they just have the ingredients as Rajma flour, urad dal flour, rice bran oil, salt and spices. So pretty much clean ingredients. One are these small Hershey's K chocolates. This is the packet, most empty. Now I'll tell you why I buy these small packets, because I liked chocolate a lot, and so it is very difficult to give it up on completely. And I also do not want to restrict myself, because I preach that I will do something that I can for the next 30 years, and I cannot give up on chocolate for the next 30 years, okay? So I started keeping these small packets which have like these teeny tiny chocolate bars. I also sometimes go for those Perk ka small packets or the Munch ones, and it really helps me because whenever I'm craving chocolate or something sweet, I just grab this or I grab my Super U wafer. Next one is popcorns. So I get these 2 minutes Act 2 popcorns from the store, and whenever I'm watching a movie or something, I have these, and I always look onto the portion sizes. Anything as long as you're having in balance is thumbs up. We are done with 5 snacks, and you know what it's time for hydration break. I'll have my water, you have it. The next one is a brand that my friend found out. I did not find this out, and I'm really proud to say that people around me are finding clean brands and coming up to me and introducing them to me. So it's like a win-win for me, because that's the whole point. Two of the products which is in the savory part is khari. Is basically we have with chai, we used to have from childhood. Next one is matri. I love matri. I cannot give up on matri. The ingredients are pretty clean. Next one is Super UK chips. They come in like 4 flavors. I really like this one a lot. It's similar to the Lays ka green wala, and I was a big time Lays green wale ka fan. So I tried replacing that with Super UK ye wale chips, and yeah, this packet has 10 grams of protein. I try to not have snacks from the packet directly. I try them to take out into a plate and then have it from that. In that way, I'm able to control my portions and I don't eat all my packets in one sittings. How does this help? First of all, you're saving up on some calories, and second thing, you're able to watch your portion. So this helps you in being in a calorie deficit. Next one is cookies, and these are the two brands that I usually take in cookies. First one is Slurp Farm cookies. This is a brand made for kids, but we find clean ingredients in kids brands, so why not? So this is the Slurp Farm cookies that I literally have like a lot. Second one is Atta Jeera cookies from Let's Try. I love jeera cookies. I used to have it from the kirana store every second day, and finding a healthier alternative to it is something that I love. So yeah, this was my second last snack, and now comes my last snack and hack is I always have a dabba of toffees with me. Now, I'll tell you why. A lot of time, you are just bored and you drink water and you do everything, but you still feel that, oh my god, I'm still bored. I need something chatpat chatpat. And it's not necessary that you always have a packet full of chips. So I always have these toffees. I have Alpenlibe and I have like Pulse, all the melody, all the toffees that I love, and I keep like 5 6 of them in my bag. And whenever I feel like I crave something chatpat or meetha or anything, I have toffee, and it is the greatest hack because the toffee is like 10 12 max to max 20 calories, not more than that. So try this hack and tell me how you like this video. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Also, drop in the comments what other snacks you want me to try. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay healthy, keep showing up for yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. New video comes up every Wednesday at 5 p.m. So do not forget to check out my channel. Bye.